chicken rolls in record time. Slice a few potatoes into thin slices and put them in a bowl. Season with salt, black pepper, sweet paprika, vegetable oil. Mix the potatoes well. Place a layer of potatoes in the baking tray greased with vegetable oil. Slice the chicken breast into long, thin slices. Pound the chicken fillet with a meat mallet. Put salt in a bowl, herbes de Provence, sweet paprika, black pepper. Mix the spices. Season the chicken fillet with the spice mix. Turn the slices to the other side and season the same way. Crack eggs into the blender cup. Add salt, black pepper, garlic, mustard, apple cider vinegar, vegetable oil. Blend the sauce with an immersion blender until it becomes creamy. Brush the chicken fillet with the sauce. Put parsley in a bowl. Add garlic. Mozzarella grated on the fine grater. Mix all the ingredients. Put the filling over the sauce. Slice a tomato into thin slices. Place one slice of tomato on the edge. Roll the chicken breast tightly with the filling. Arrange the rolls on the bed of potatoes. Brush all the rolls with sauce and bake for 30 minutes. Sprinkle with grated cheese and bake for another 10 minutes. Chicken breast rolls filled with lots of cheese and herbs are wonderful for a filling weekend family dinner or a festive meal. No matter what side dish, salad, or sauce you serve them with, they will be a great success.